Hey everyone, Steve Hogan here from usatechdeals. With holiday shopping now in full swing, tech deals are everywhere, but so are scams, bad purchases, and confusing options. So today, I'm sharing 10 essential tech tips for holiday shopping success to help you save money, avoid traps, and pick the right gadgets without stress. Let's make your shopping smarter this year. Tip 1. Check real versus fake deals. Not every holiday deal is a real deal. Before buying any gadget, headphones, monitors, laptops, or smart home devices, use tools like 𝐂𝐬𝐬𝐞𝐬𝐬 or 𝐸𝐴 to check price history. Many discounts are fake markdowns, especially during Christmas sales. Tip 2. Prioritize online shopping safety. Online shopping scams jump by nearly 30% during the holiday season. Here's what you must do. Buy only from trusted websites like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart. Avoid clicking random links from emails or ads. Check for HTTPS in the URL. Never save your card details on unknown sites. Stay safe, your data matters. Tip 3. Beware of fake product reviews. Tech gadgets are one of the most faked categories online. To detect fake reviews, look for repetitive phrases. Check review dates. Many fake reviews appear on the same day. Avoid products with hundreds of 5-star ratings but few real photos. Read the 1-star reviews first, they reveal the truth. Tip 4. Look for real-world use cases. When buying gadgets, like earbuds, webcams, or smart speakers, focus on how you will use them. Ask yourself, do I need this for work? Is it good for home office productivity? Does it support my smart home setup? Purpose beats hype. Tip 5. Use secure payment options. This is simple but powerful. Always use debit cards with OTP or PayPal. Never use unknown payment gateways. These protect you if something goes wrong with the seller or product. Tip 6. Check return policies. Before buying any tech product, check the holiday return timelines. Many stores extend returns until January. This is great for testing gadgets like laptops, monitors, and headphones risk-free. Tip 7. Compare specs, not just price. For beginners, don't get confused by fancy terms. When comparing gadgets, focus on the essentials. For laptops, RAM, processor, SSD. For monitors, resolution, refresh rate, panel type. For headphones, battery life, ANC Bluetooth version. These matter more than flashy packaging. Tip 8. Don't ignore older tech models. Older models often give premium performance at a lower cost. For example, last year's earbuds, Amazon Echo devices, or routers still perform amazingly well and cost half the price during holiday sales. Tip 9. Shop early to avoid delays. Holiday shipping delays are real. If you're gifting tech products for Christmas, order early so you don't end up with a sad coming soon envelope instead of the actual gift. Tip 10. Follow trusted tech sources. To avoid getting overwhelmed with ads and fake deals, follow trusted tech reviewers. And yes, I'm right here to help you. At usatechdeals, I break down the best gadgets, the real value, and the smartest picks for US buyers. So hit like, subscribe, and check out the latest holiday guides linked below. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy stress-free tech shopping this holiday season. All helpful links, buying guides, and my top recommendations are in the description. See you in the next video.